back to Catch a Vibe season. This is episode 7, I believe, by your boy, Ari Petru. And today is a very, very special video. Today, I'm going to be showing you my crazy office space / man cave, whatever you want to call it. There is so much stuff in here. Sneakers, computers, clothes, accessories, Supreme. There's even a bloody motorbike in my room. Nevertheless, let's stop talking and let's enter the man cave. As soon as you walk in, guys, we even have a bait doorstop. Yes, our doorstop is like a £50 doorstop. And then we have the UK's biggest Hypebeast bait rug. You already know, but the first thing I'm gonna show you is this side of the room. So this is the first part that I wanna show you in my room. So right here we have 3 Ikea lap shelves. Now these are like the biggest shelves I think that they do in Ikea. They're about £20 each, so really, really cheap, but they look really good. They're just white, glossy, and they are perfect for, well, Supreme accessories. I have so many Supreme accessories if you want to come over. We have nunchucks, we have aftershave.
My ding ding dong.
Fake Pepsi cans, these released way back, like 10 years ago, something like that in Japan. We have the on-air sign, which I use for my backdrops. I just think that's pretty cool. Then we have some baby Yeezys, we have Supreme bricks, money gun, obviously. Shall we do it?
Yep.
Oh shit! Some of my favorite things on these shelves are the top shelves. So right here we have a few cores companions. I have the full set right here. So this one is like the original cores. But yeah, we have the full set. So many accessories. I don't even know how much all this stuff is worth. I've just kind of been collecting accessories week by week for like the last about 3 to 4 years. Probably since about 2016 I've been collecting this stuff. Now I get so many questions all the time about these boxes which I keep all my sneakers in. Well, these are actually not all my sneakers, but they're like my favorite 50, I would say. But regardless, these boxes are crepe crates by Crepe Protect. These are like £35 for 2 crepe crates, which is, it's okay, but when you have like 50 to 100 sneakers, it definitely does add up. So I want to say a massive shout out to Crepe Protect. They've actually provided me with all of these crepe crates, and I've had them about a year now. Can't fault them whatsoever, and they look really, really good in my room. I haven't done a sneaker collection video in ages, so if you want to see that, then smash 2,000 likes on this video and maybe we'll do an updated sneaker collection. But guys, this is definitely one of my favorite sneakers. This is the Kanye West Louis Vuitton Don. These go for like about £2,000, something like that. I picked these up a few years ago. I would say this is probably like one of my first like major cops. I think I got these for like £650 to £700, which is a crazy, crazy steal. Another Yeezy again, actually, but I would say this is probably one of my favorite sneakers of all time. I don't know why, but this shoe just looks so insane. Any black denim, like just any joggers or anything, I don't know. Kanye just absolutely killed it with this silhouette. And yeah, I don't think we're kind of ever gonna get a sneaker like this. So now, if you want to come over here, I have a 20th anniversary Supreme skate deck hung up on the wall. And I have been asked a lot, how did I hang up the skateboard? Now, I think the things are called like Skateology or something like that. They're like really cheap. They're like £10. You can buy them on Amazon, eBay, wherever it is, but they're super simple to hang up. I literally hung that up in like 5 minutes. And then I've paired it with the very rare Supreme Kermit poster. Absolutely fire combo. I feel like you guys let me know what you think. So, moving on around the room, guys, I have a legit motorbike. This is the Supreme Coleman motorbike. Now this bike goes for like, I don't know, anywhere. Oh dear. This motorbike goes from anywhere from like £3,000 to £5,000, which is absolutely crazy. I didn't pay that price, so I'm super fortunate to have this item. I think this is just one of the items I'm just never gonna sell. I have actually ripped this thing around in the parks and stuff. When I first got it, I was putting it on my Instagram story all the time. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you go and do that. It is at Ari Petru. And then on the motorbike, obviously, we have to have the Supreme Simpson motorbike helmet to go with it. I actually picked this up for retail, like back on release day. I don't think there is a better combo than this Supreme motorbike helmet and the bloody Supreme motorbike. So yeah, that is pretty swag. And then we've got a custom plate right there. I'm probably never gonna put that on my car. AR16. My birthday is the 16th of May, so AR16 and then pet. I thought that was a pretty swag number plate, but yeah, as I said, probably never gonna put it on my car, but it does look good for display. Now guys, this is where I spend pretty much all my time, either on PlayStation or editing videos, browsing YouTube, but I'm gonna keep that bit till last. So we're gonna go over here to my closet. I'm gonna show you a few bits in my closet, and yeah, we move. These are my wardrobes behind me. Now, no joke, pretty much one of the main reasons I wanted to move into this place is because they had built-in wardrobes, and they were really good built-in wardrobes. Now, my last two places, I've had like crappy Ikea wardrobes that I've had to build, and it's just such a nightmare, and they're really not good quality. So with this place, when they had built-in wardrobes, I was like, yo, completely perfect. I can't be dealing with any more Ikea wardrobes. So, the first wardrobe I will show you. Do we have a heaven sound right now? I think we do. And boom. On the top right here, I have my YouTube plaque. We have another Supreme helmet. We have a couple of my favorite like everyday wear caps. So whenever I don't want to do my hair. Chrome hearts, obviously, you already know. This wardrobe I pretty much use for like all my trousers, as you can see. Shorts, jeans, all color coordinated. To be honest, I actually need to do a bit of rearranging because there's some yellows in blacks and oranges in blacks and greys. Yeah.
Get some help.
I'm gonna show you just a few of my favorites. If you want to see a closet tour video, then again, smash a like on this video and we will make that happen. These are some really, really rare Gucci snake pants. I bought these like back in 2017, and I've literally I think I've seen like 2 people have these. They come in shorts as well, but the shorts aren't as rare. These go absolutely crazy. Yeah, these are super expensive as well, like over £1,000 for these right now if you're trying to buy them on Grailed or wherever the hell you're gonna try and buy them. I just picked up these recently. Well, actually Heat sent me these. These go crazy, Palm Angels, but they're all like tie-dye. I have like 3 or 4 pairs of Palm Angels right now. I'm gonna be breaking these out soon. For summer, we have some Amiri shorts. Now I have like 2 or 3 pairs of Amiri shorts. Honestly, I have some minimal like similar shorts that are like £40, and these are like £600 shorts. I didn't pay 600 quid, but I honestly wouldn't say that these are worth that. So moving on, what else do we have to show you? Not a lot. We'll keep it for the closet tour. So we close this. So we close this. And we move on to
close.
Oh yeah, and also they have like these light strips, which I think is actually pretty swag. I think they're censored by something, I don't know, but they have light strips. Another heaven sound? Okay, so this wardrobe right here is mainly hoodies actually. I don't know how many hoodies in here, but this wardrobe is absolutely busting right now. I don't think I can put any more hoodies in here. I don't have sliding drawers for all my t-shirts, but one thing I do want to say, guys, do not hang your t-shirts. The hanger will like ruin and make your collars like really saggy. It's definitely worth it to have your t-shirts like in a folded pile or in a drawer over putting them on a hanger, because over time you will completely ruin all your t-shirts. So that's just a little bit of advice. We've got Supreme, we've got Bake, we've got some T&F jackets. Down here we have like, I don't know, another 50 t-shirts, something like that, all Supreme, Bake, just lots of vintage tees and stuff. Check these, bro. Look at these Fear of God Vans. Bruh, still DS. I actually got these for free from PacSun. That's absolutely swag. These are like over £1,000 right now on StockX. Maybe I'll cash them in. That is wardrobe number 2. And that leaves us, last but not least, to show you the desk setup, which is obviously where I spend pretty much 90% of my time. Move this chair out of the way, just for now, so I can explain to you what the hell is going on behind me. So, the desk itself, I custom built it from Ikea. Now I've had like 3 or 4 desks over the time, and the desk I had at my old place didn't fit in here. Like the size of the wall, my desk literally came out to like all the way out here. So I was like, no, I cannot have my desk going halfway out the window, because I wanted to make like an L-shaped desk, and I was searching online for ages and ages trying to find a nice, perfect L-shaped desk. and I just couldn't find one for the right measurements for my room and stuff like that. This entire desk setup cost me about 50 to 60 pounds. It's actually really, really cheap, and I saw somebody in the comment section the other day trying to rip me on how cheap my desk was and how broke I must be because I've got a cheap desk. But no, that's not the case. I just couldn't find the perfect L-shaped desk for my room, so I built it myself. Moving on this wall we have NanoLeaf light panels. I made an A out of 18 light panels. Now 18 light panels costs about 360 pounds, something like that. You can get 9 NanoLeaf light panels for 180. So they are like semi-expensive, but for me, I think they would completely change your room. So these NanoLeaf light panels, you can like completely control them on the app. Here we go. I can show you what these NanoLeaf light panels can do. So sometimes when I'm in my room, I make them blue or I make them red. But with these ones in particular, you can click this button right here, and then they completely move to when there is noise or music and stuff like that. Honestly, I don't usually have it on this setting just because it low-key can actually give me a headache. But when you're playing music and stuff, it's actually pretty cool to have that on. So let's turn that off. They've actually given me a 10% discount code. I'll put it on the screen. Link is down below. So if you want to go and, you know, revolutionize your room, you got some NanoLeafs. But this is my PlayStation setup right here. So we are rocking with an Alienware 240 Hz monitor. I know people are gonna roast me because PlayStations don't even go up to 240 Hz. But regardless, I think this is probably the best looking monitor on the market. Just the way it is, it's like solid metal here. It literally can go completely 360 degrees. Let's be real. My FIFA team is absolute drip. Come on, I have to flex my FIFA team somehow. Icon Van der Sar, Future Stars Tamori, shout out Tamori, I met that guy. Virgil van Dijk, Icon Zambrotta, Shapeshifters Mendy, Normal Kante, Team of the Year Ronaldo, you already know my man goes for 9 million coins. Messi, Pele, Team of the Year Mbappe. So yeah, my FIFA team is about 20 million coins. Now this Alienware monitor actually doesn't have any speakers or anything like that, so you do need a headset. So headset wise, I have gone with the Astro A50. These are a really, really good headset, but I would recommend getting the Astro A40s. I think they're a bit cheaper. Sometimes wireless is nice, but also like connectivity wise, sometimes they will drop or you have to like plug them in to reset them. So I would suggest just getting the cabled A40 ones, but I am rocking the A50s. Okay, so that is it for the little gaming section. Now we're gonna move on to like the workspace section and we're gonna go through what I've got going on here. Above the workstation, we have this really, really fire poster that I was sent about a year and a half ago, something like that. It's like custom made for me. It's literally got my name on it. I think it looks really, really good. But moving on to the actual desk setup, what we have got going on here is an iMac Pro. Now, honestly, for the price that this iMac Pro is, I think it's like £5,000 or $5,000, whatever one it is. It's definitely not worth it. I just had a regular iMac before, which was like £1,200, £1,500, something like that. To me, they pretty much work very, very similar and definitely not worth the like price difference. The price difference is crazy. For audio, we have these audio engines. They look really, really good. They're just white and black. They sound really, really good. The bass is good. The volume is really, really loud. I've got them on these speaker stands right here, just so the audio like actually like goes up to my ears. We've got some Supreme Post-it notes just because if I ever think of an idea or think of some content, I like to just write it down just so I know, and then I'll stick it on my computer so I don't forget. We've got a wireless Mophie charger for my phone, so I can always charge my phone on my desk. I also have this thing on top of my desk. It just like elevates everything. You get some spare drawer space. Honestly, I just use these drawers just to kind of get rid of clutter and stuff. I also keep my laptop under here, the perfect spot if I ever need to edit a video on the go or if I go on holiday, my laptop's always there. You can't see any cables, which is my absolute phobia. If you have a desk setup and there is cables everywhere, please invest in some cable management. It's really not difficult. It's like an hour of your time. I don't know. I think my cable management is pretty good. Everything is basically like stuck under the desk with like double-sided tape and sticky stuff, and I'll link some cable management stuff down below, but please do some cable management. Like, it is absolutely necessary. And then yeah, the final little few bits of my room, we have like this Supreme blimp just hanging there. I don't know, I had nowhere else to put it, so why not put it there? We have right here some Fragment Bear Bricks. Now these Fragment Bear Bricks, I actually got them on sale. I think it was £80 for the set. The incense holder right here, I think this is a pretty good place for it. Supreme flashlight. That pretty much wraps up my room. Let me know what was your favorite thing that I had in my room. Was it the motorbike? Was it the NanoLeafs? Was it the skate deck? You let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate if you could take 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. Guys, if we can get this video to 2,000 likes, I know we can do it. I'll do a closet tour next Sunday. So if this video gets 2,000 likes, next Sunday's video will be a closet tour. Last thing, make sure you are following me on Instagram as well. It is @AriPetru. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I will see you for episode 8. I think it's episode 8 this Thursday. Peace out.